In today's video, we're going to check out the best budget gaming computers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these budget gaming computers, you can check out the description below. At number 5, it's the Skytech Archangel. Buying a pre-built PC is a viable option for a gaming PC if you don't have enough expertise to assemble one yourself. There are plenty of options in different price ranges with good budget options. The Skytech Archangel is a great entry-level option with individual parts that provide good value and a great gaming package that makes sense overall. If you aren't sure about the whole pre-built PC packages, rest assured because Skytech Archangel is an amazing performer. The Skytech Archangel's case looks very good thanks to its sleek design that looks high-tech and futuristic. It's a full tower case that has tons of ventilation ports and provides a generous amount of airflow thanks to its enormous space. In this case, you'll find plenty of room for upgrades. That's very important if you want to keep your PC for a long time. Despite being an entry-level PC, the Skytech Archangel checks all the boxes performance and feature-wise, and it even aims for way higher. The package is equipped with AMD FX 6300 Vishera processor, which may not be the best of the best, but it squeezes enough power to provide smooth gaming. It has a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz with 6 cores and 4.1 GHz turbo unlock speed, meaning that it can really push harder if needed. This is a solid CPU. Memory-wise, it comes with 8GB of DDR3 1866 MHz RAM with 1TB of 7200 RPM hard disk drive, which both are top of the line and will provide great performance. In the graphics department, the Skytech Archangel comes armed with the NVIDIA GeForce 1050 Ti with 2GB of VRAM, which is its major selling point. This graphics unit is known for producing solid gaming performance and can run most of the games in 1080p without breaking a sweat. The PC also comes with Windows 10 Pro Edition pre-installed, which adds further to the value of the product and is ready to go from the first minute, so you don't have to waste time by installing the OS. Through testing, I saw that the Archangel provided HD gaming with high frame rates and offered great value for its price. At number 4, it's the iBuyPower Elite Slate 2. The iBuyPower Elite Slate 2 is an excellent gaming tower. It may not be top of the line, but when you compare its price with its performance, it offers excellent overall value. It's specifically tailored for gamers with its amazing performance in both graphics and processing, and its awesome design and upgradability. The iBuyPower Elite Slate 2 is perfect for the budget-conscious consumer. I really fell in love with the case of the iBuyPower Elite Slate 2. It was aggressive and minimalist at the same time. It has a rectangular boxy shape with an interesting front panel that has an LED strip and air vents on the side. This gaming PC is edgy and provocative. The front grille is muted and the side panels are very simple and modern. I don't see any gamer not falling in love with this one. It measures 19.5 by 9 by 19.5, making it very roomy for upgrades and general area to work in, and the internal area of the PC is very accessible. Furthermore, this PC comes equipped with tons of ports, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, audio and headphone jacks on the front, and many more on the back. Performance-wise, the iBuyPower Elite Slate 2 comes equipped with an Intel Core i7-8700 6-core 8th generation processor with a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.7 GHz with 12 threads, 12 MB cache, and a 95W TDP. Productivity, the iBuyPower Elite Slate 2 is perfect, and you can even take it to your office as you'll get through everything with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a speedy 240GB SSD and a large 1TB hard disk drive for larger files. It's fully ready with gaming with the NVIDIA GTX 1060 GPU with 3GB GDDR5 RAM that's excellent when combined with the aforementioned performances. It can provide 1080p in ultra settings with the highest frame rates and even some VR. I tested the system with a range of high-demanding AAA games in ultra settings, and I didn't notice any frame rate drop or lagging. The iBuyPower Elite Slate 2 is a great package, and it definitely provides the most value for your hard-earned dollar. At number 3, it's the Dell Inspiron i5676. As far as pre-built gaming PCs go, you can't go wrong with the Dell Inspiron i5676. It's right in the middle of the price range, coming in with great performance specs, a great processor, a beast of a graphics unit, amazing case that's relatively silent, and overall great gaming performance. The Dell Inspiron i5676 wants to be the last PC that you'll need to buy. I really like the Dell Inspiron's i56-76's design language. It was definitely designed with gamers in mind, but it didn't go over the top. Its angled look gave a cool vibe to it as well. On the front panel, you'll spot grills that continue going around to the side of the case, and blue light shines through it to illuminate the interior. The body has a metallic finish that's reminiscent of older gaming PCs, and it looks very fun and very well designed. On the front of the PC, you'll find two USB 3.1 and one USB Type-C ports, two USB 2.0 ports, an SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headset jack, along with a slimline DVD drive. On the rear, you'll find many more ports ranging from USB ports to Gigabit Ethernet to 5 3.5mm audio ports, to name a few. Performance-wise, the Dell Inspiron i56-76 comes with an Intel Core i7-8700 6-core processor that's equipped with 12 threads, 12MB cache with a boost clock speed of 4.6 GHz thanks to the Intel Turbo Boost technology. All this is combined with 16GB of 2400MHz DDR4 RAM and 128GB of M.2 SATA SSD for booting, and a 2TB 7200 RPM SATA HDD 6GB per second for storage. Those kinds of specs translate into a great PC for productivity, and there are lots of bays in the system for upgrading if you wish to. In terms of graphics, the Dell Inspiron i56-76 is equipped with NVIDIA GTX 1060 GPU, 6GB GDDR5 VRAM, which is one of my favourites because it's just so good. Through testing, I saw that it ran games very smoothly with ultra settings in 1440p, the frame rates didn't drop, and I didn't see lag of any kind. At number 2, it's the Intel NUC 8. I've chosen a mini PC for this budget gaming PC list, and it's the absolute best mini PC on the market, the Intel NUC 8. This PC is more than capable of ploughing through everything you can throw at it, both gaming-wise and productivity-wise, thanks to its crazy specs for a mini PC. The most portable option on our list, the Intel NUC 8 has a striking design that'll please gamers and will provide the best mini PC package to date. The Intel NUC 8 is an extremely portable PC, measuring just 8.7 by 5.6 by 1.5 inches and weighing just 2.4 pounds. That means you can easily throw it in your bag and carry it to your LAN party, to the office, or even from room to room easily. When you first take a look at the device, it looks like a plain black brick. Nothing remarkable. However, once you turn it on, a skull-shaped light will shine out of its case that you could even customize the color scheme and its glowing patterns via the LED Manager app that's pre-installed in the PC. The Intel NUC 8 may be a mini PC, but it has tons of connectivity options you can choose from, such as a ton of USB ports including Thunderbolt ones, SD card slots, 3.5mm audio jack, HDMI ports, 2 Ethernet ports, and more. Buying the Intel NUC 8 on its own may look cheap, but the complete setup will get pricey, as it arrives only with the Intel Core i7-8009G with AMD Radeon RX Vega MG8 hybrid chip, but other than that, you have to buy and set everything else up yourself. To fully test the device's capabilities, I installed a 512GB SSD and 16GB of RAM, and through testing, that proved to be enough for being the best entry-level PC, not just for the mini PC range. On top of that, it was capable of VR, and in my experience with AAA games, it ran them in full HD settings with amazing frame rates without any lagging or stuttering. If you need a mini PC and want to squeeze high performance levels from it for productivity and gaming, then you'll be pleased with the Intel NUC 8. And at number 1, it's the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. On top of our list, we have the best budget gaming PC in the market, designed and assembled by a company that's run by gamers, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. It's a full tower desktop that has beastly performances with amazing graphics unit and the latest 8th generation Coffee Lake Intel processor to provide you one of the best gaming experiences regardless of what game you want to play. It's fully upgradable and it provides the most value for its price. We've seen a tendency with gaming PC and peripheral manufacturers to go with a flashier design every day, and the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme follows that path. This piece of eye candy is truly one of the flashiest designs I've seen in a PC. Build-wise, it has an aluminium chassis painted in black, and on every side of the PC you'll spot that it sports tinted tempered glass that'll give you a view of the RGB lights that are the main attraction, and also give you easy access to the PC. I'd like to state that even when it's turned down, the Cyber PC Gamer Extreme looks beautiful with its simple lines that give a minimalist vibe. The manufacturer has done a great job of choosing the most balanced combination of graphics and processing units to provide the smoothest experience. It comes armed with an Intel Core i5-8400 2.8 GHz 6-core CPU, combined with an Intel B360 chipset and AMD Radeon RX 580 4GB graphics card that's perfect enough to support high gaming performance with ease, heavy productivity tasks, and even your leisure time activities. But gaming is where this system shines, as it can offer you everything you may want from a gaming rig, and it's the absolute best for its price by a landslide. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is a bargain in this market, where other manufacturers put out overpriced products that have some sort of compromise in performance. This can support every AAA game with high frame rates on maximum settings. Also, with the ability to upgrade it, this is a future-proof PC. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is a gift that'll keep on giving.